Hi, Mr. Right here, and in this short film, I'll take you through the two steps, the two options that you have if when you pick up your Edexcel IGCSE grades on Thursday, you're not happy with your results. Of course, I hope you'll be happy with your results, but if you're not, these are the two options that you have. Now, these options apply to Edexcel IGCSEs. Edexcel probably have a slightly different routine for their standard GCSEs, and different exam boards may have different routines as well, but I imagine that they'll all follow much the same principles. So, for your Edexcel IGCSEs, what are your two options if you're not happy with one of your results? Well, the first thing you can do is you can request a copy of your marked exam script. Now, if you want to do this, you have to do this by the 26th of September. And what you need to do is you need to talk to the exams officer at your school, college, or exam centre. And your exams officer will log onto the Edexcel portal and can download a PDF of your marked exam script and pass it on to you. Now, this service doesn't cost the school, college, or the exam centre anything. They can access this for free. So with any luck, they won't charge you for this service either. And indeed, it's very quick. With luck, the exams officer will be able to download your script then and there, or perhaps it'll take them a day or two. But nonetheless, if you request a copy of your marked exam script by the 26th of September from the exams officer at your school, college, or exam centre, you should get that marked exam script really very quickly. Now, once you've had a look at that, you can then request that the marking of your exam paper is checked. And this is what you need to do. Again, the principal deadline is the 26th of September, although if you want to request the priority service, there's an earlier deadline of the 29th of August. What you would need to do is talk to the exams officer at your school, college, or exam centre and say to them that you want to get the marking of your exam paper checked. Now, if you request the priority service, then the checking of your marking will take about 15 days or up to 15 days, Edexcel say. And if you request the standard service, then the checking of that marking will take up to 20 days. And Edexcel will charge for this. For the priority service, they're charging £53.70. And for the standard service, the charge is £46.70. And when I look at the website, those charges are given in pounds sterling, even for international students too. So I guess that you pay in local currency, but the amounts are going to be approximately £53 or equivalent to approximately £53 for the priority service and £46 for the standard service. But good news, if Edexcel do change your grade as a result of checking the marking of your exam paper, then they refund the fee. So that's good. But beware, because when they review the marking of your exam paper, it's possible that you might lose marks rather than gain marks. And of course, if you're close to that, if you've just passed a grade boundary, you don't really want to lose any marks, as it might take you into the grade below. So before you decide whether to request that the marking of your exam paper is checked, it's a very good idea to look at the marked exam paper, perhaps with a maths teacher or with somebody who knows what they're doing alongside you, so that you can really get to grips with whether or not you want to request that the marking of your exam paper is checked. Right, those are the two options open to you. Let's hope you don't need them, but of course it's just as well when you pick up your grades on Thursday to be armed with knowledge of the options that are open to you if your grades aren't what you're hoping. So, not a very optimistic film, but I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.